What we don't want to do is just copy the book. We want to make a product that's going to be better and that's going to solve the problem for the readers faster. When people are buying these type of nonfiction books, they're buying a book because they have a problem that they need a solution for. And so it's your job as you write the book to ensure that you solve that problem. So here's some things you want to keep in mind. One, this should take you one day. We don't want to be spending a ton of time on this. This is something you can really do in a couple hours. Now, if it takes you 2 or 3 days, like, don't stress out. But the way I'm setting this up, like, don't spend more than a day on this. Like, done is better than perfect. That's my point number 2 here, right? I just want you to get this done. If you've never tried this before, if you've never made $1 online, if this is a brand new thing for you, done is better than perfect. I can't stress this enough. This is literally something that could change the course of your life. This book won't. This book is going to be crap. But the fact that you publish it on Amazon and Amazon pays you money because you created a book, that concept could revolutionize and change the direction of your entire life. That's exactly what happens to every single person who goes through this process for the very first time. So done is better than perfect. Focus on solving one problem. One problem, that's it, right? We're not trying to, like, write a 300 or 400 word book here. We're focused on just solving one problem better, faster, or in a different angle. This book is only going to be 5,000 to 10,000 words. That's the goal. People aren't buying books because they want to read a novel, right? They're buying books because they're like, I want to solve this problem I have. They don't care if you solve the problem for them in 5,000 words or if you solve the problem for them in like 30,000 words, right? They just want the problem solved. So in this case, especially in order to make sure we get this done in one day, we want to focus on just a 5,000 to 10,000 word book. Hey, real quick, if you want to publish a book on Amazon and make money from it, I got this for you. I'm running a free 3-day publish and profit challenge. By the end of it, you'll have a book published on Amazon and making your first sales. I've been publishing for over 9 years. I've published hundreds of books, helped thousands of people do the same. If you don't know where to start, or you can't find a profitable topic, or you just don't want to waste time or money, this is for you. Day 1 is finding your topic, creating a book title, getting your cover locked in. Day 2, it's all about building your book. It's doing the research, creating the outline, and writing your entire book. And then day 3, polishing your book, publishing it on Amazon, and showing you how to generate your first sales. And this is free. I'm showing you the exact way to build this business without having to hide it behind a paid course. You're also going to get my free support group, and you're going to get the custom GPT that I built specifically to help you with this challenge. Just click the link in the description or go to publishingacademy.com/challenge. You'll get an email. It'll be the link to get into the SKOOL group. In the classroom section, everything's laid out. Go do it now.